doing? What are you doing? This is your sissy coming down the stairs. Hi, Zara. Hi, sweet girl. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi, sweet boy. Zara. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. I see you. Hi, sweet girl. Hi, sweet girl. Hello. I see you and I hear you. Yeah, lots to say. Yeah, lots to say. And you're a purring machine, Kumba. Good you guys. It's almost done. They're excited. They know they're getting ready to get some chicken. I know. It's almost done. I know you guys are so excited. Boy, you got a set of lungs on you. That's for sure. You too. You too. Goodness, Kumba. Hi, Zara. Hi, sweet girl. Hi, my kikis. Hi, my kikis. Hi. Hi. All right, a couple more minutes, okay, guys? Couple more minutes. I know, guys. I know. It is almost done, guys. They're like, stop filming us and feed us. All right, guys, I know y'all are hungry. I know you want your chicken, Tom.